unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
A cough lasting more than 8 weeks, especially with blood, chest pain, or weight loss, can signal lung disease. Smoking, pollution, or past lung infections increase risks. Persistent coughs deserve a medical checkup. Early diagnosis matters to catch conditions like chronic bronchitis, asthma, or lung cancer. Don't ignore it. Your lungs could be at risk.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.